What is DIN number? That is director identification number. Necessity and process of getting it. Director identification number, DIN, is an unique identification number given to an existing or potential director of any company which is incorporated. It came into existence after insertion of section 266A and 266B of the Companies Act 1956 as amended Wide Act number 23 of 2006. Why we need it? Many times it is seen that a company is created and it raises many funds from investors and vanishes with the director and are not traceable. The directors are not traceable. The main purpose of introducing director identification number DIN was to keep a database of the directors of the incorporated companies and to keep a complete information about the directors so that they cannot cheat anyone in case if they do so can be traceable. Director identification number not only fixing an identification of the directors but also relates his participation in other companies in past and present. In case there is any change in the address and particulars, it's faced by the DIN holder, they are supposed to inform the central government about the same. So this keeps the database live always. As per the recent amendment in the Companies Act 1956, DIN has been made compulsory for every director. DIN is individual specific, not company specific, so only one DIN is required per director person, irrespective of how many companies he is managing. There is a prerequisite to incorporate a new company. Next one is process of getting a director identification number. This is simple one-day process where you can apply for DIN online. PAN number is mandatory for Indian citizenship and passport for the foreign nationals. These are the simple steps to follow for applying your DIN number. That is director's identification number. Step 1. You can apply for the DIN number on the website www.mca.gov.in. This is www.mca.gov.in, and create a new user if you have not registered there. The login and click on the link director identification number. You can click on DIN1 form and download a PDF format which you can fill offline, and it also allows to attach photo, identity proof and residential proof with the document in the PDF form itself. Documents needed to be attached: high resolution photograph of the applicant, proof of identity, proof of residence, proof of birth, and affidavit in case of single name as per the guidelines, and copy of passport in case of foreign nationals. Once the form is filled and all the necessary documents attached with the PDF, you have to again log in and upload the PDF. To upload PDF, you can do this. When you log in, the site shows an user page with 3 sections: services, e-forms and my documents. You have to click on e-forms and then click on e-form upload to upload the PDF. Note, e-forms have to be digitally signed. Means you have to digitally verify your documents through OTP and other mediums. And the third step is, and last one step, after upload you have to make a payment for the DIN application, which is 100 rupees, which has to be paid electronically through net banking and debit and credit cards mode of payment. DIN number is issued within 1 day. Usually, if there is any problem in that, you will be given one temporary DIN number, and within 2 to 3 days you will be given a permanent DIN number, which you can register. You can give on the MOA or AOA of the director, on the documents needed of a director for the paper verifications, and more than and anywhere else you use your director identification number.